Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to craft a bed in Minecraft. So first is to make wooden planks. Go to a crafting table, place wood in any slot, and collect the wooden planks. Tip, you can get wood by chopping trees with an axe or punching them, which is slower. And then step 2 is to obtain wool. Find ship, use shears which is crafted from 2 iron ingots to shear them, or kill ship to get wool. Shearing gives 1 to 3 wool and keeps the ship alive. And then step 3, add planks to crafting grid. Open the crafting table and place 3 wooden planks in the bottom row of the 3 by 3 grid. Step 4, add wool to crafting grid. Place 3 wool in the middle row of the grid. Collect your new bed. You can use colored wool to make colored beds. And then step 5 is to place your bed. Put your bed in a safe location like your house. Sleep to set your spawn point. So basically that's it.